Let's start with understanding what the AKKA is. AKKA is a free and open source toolkit developed in Scala. It is running on JVM, Java Virtual Machine, as Scala utilizes JVM. The original toolkit is available with two DSLs, two languages, Scala and Java. The simplicity of the handling concurrent applications with AKKA gained so much popularity, and akka.NET for .NET applications and Pika for Python applications have been also developed. AKKA is addressing the difficult and complicated problem of implementing concurrent systems. It does it on its own way by applying the actor model, which is based on a mathematical model in computing. An actor is single independent running entity that executes the statements from its mailbox. A single thread. We can think an actor as an independently running application. Actor processes messages from its mailbox. This is not an email box, but as an AKKA terminology mailbox. If we have a job that we want actor to take care of it, we send message to actor's mailbox. AKKA currently has two variations, AKKA classical and AKKA typed. They are not much different than each other, and the actor model is same. It is a matter of some syntax and best practice approach changes. In this tutorial, we'll do our implementation with AKKA classical. Vast majority of the projects are on AKKA classical, as AKKA typed was experimental until the version 2.6 and it became official with 2.6. Therefore, AKKA typed are mostly used for the projects started beyond 2020. I will do another video for the AKKA typed actors. We will need Java JDK, Maven, and I will use IntelliJ as the development editor. I will not go through the installations. If you have not installed them yet, you can watch the installation of JDK, Maven, and IntelliJ videos, which I will link below in the description. Each installation will take around 3 to 5 minutes. Let's get started. This is what we will implement in this tutorial. We will implement a very basic application, app class, which will have main method, so it will be an executable console application. Then we will develop an actor and we'll name it as math actor, which will take the square of a given number. Let's open the IntelliJ and get started. We will create a new Maven project, not a Java project, but Maven project, as we will utilize Maven for our dependency management. I will name the project as AKKA Classical Demo. Okay, our project is created. Let's go to pom.xml file and add our AKKA dependencies. Now, I will add our first class, app class. Right click, new class, app. I will add the main method. IntelliJ brings the suggestion if we type psvm. Let's add a basic print on console to check everything is alright. I'll run the application. Okay, it printed, app started. Let's add a package called actor. We will add our actors here. We'll add a new class. I'll name it as math actor. This is an empty class. To make it an actor, we need to extend abstract actor class. When we extend the abstract actor, as IntelliJ warns us about the unimplemented method, we need to override createReceive method. Remember, actors get messages into their mailbox and processes messages from the mailbox one at a time. createReceive method is where we will define what will we do about the message received. We need to return receive type object in this method. We can create it with receive builder. Receive builder is given by AKKA libraries. We will send messages to actor's mailbox from up class, and actor can have any type of messages into actor's mailbox. There is no limitation on that with AKKA Classical. So receive builder gives us match method, where we can check the incoming message type and define the behavior based on the message type. I will first add the integer.class. So if the message type is integer, we'll print the square of given number. So if the incoming message is integer, it will execute the function here. How about double or float type? Let's add them too. Match double.class. This time, instead of implementing the function here, I will pass it to a method, square method. It is showing red as we didn't implement the square method yet. Let's add our method. Incoming message will be passed to this method if incoming message is type of double. As it will be double type, we should add it as expected parameter. And we'll do sys out the square of the number here as well. Our actor is nearly ready. One last thing, props object. Props object is special object. We don't create the instances of our actor classes using the new. AKKA system must create it, which we will see shortly in up class. Actor system needs a props object to create an instance of an actor. So let's add it quickly. I will add it as static so it can be accessed without creating an instance. And our method will return props object props.create. And we will pass the actor class type mathActor.class as the parameter. Return. Our actor is ready. Let's get back to the up class and use mathActor in there. To use the actors, first thing first, we will create the actor system. We will create all our actors using the actor system. Actor system, AKKA system equals actor system.create. The parameter here that I gave as system is the AKKA reference name. Nothing to do with Java. AKKA requires us to give a reference name for the actor system, and it can be anything. As we have the actor system, now we can add our mathActor into the AKKA system. To do so, we will use the AKKA system we defined. And actor is added into the system by actor of method. AKKA system.actor of. Actor of method takes two parameters. First, the props object of the AKKA actor. We will get it from the class matActor.props. Second parameter is AKKA reference name we would like to give for the actor. This is an optional field. We can give any name, but it must be unique for each actor. Second parameter is an optional field. We don't have to give a reference name for the actor. We can create the actor instance with only props parameter, but it is recommended to give a reference name. I will give the matActor. Actor of method returns actorRef object. ActorRef is not an instance of an actor. Actor instance is running and managed by AKKA system. ActorRef is sort of a messenger. We can send messages to actor using the ActorRef object AKKA system has given us. To do so, we need to use the tell method. matActor.tell. Tell method takes two parameters. First param is the message we would like to send to actor's mailbox. And second is the sender info. Sender info needs to be an ActorRef type. As we send it from up class, and up class is not an actor, we will use ActorRef.noSender. So we don't send the sender information. We can run the application now. We will send integer value 3 to actor's mailbox, and actor will take a square of it and print it on the screen. As expected. We can send as much message as we want from anywhere in the app using the ActorRef. I have a class on Udemy on AKKA Actors, where I show all the important uses of AKKA Actors, such as how to handle multi-threading with AKKA easily by using the ready-to-use routers, request response type messaging with AKKA, strategies, and etc. I cover them in easy to understand small steps with examples. The course has two sections, AKKA Classical and AKKA Typed. If interested, please use the link below. Thank you and see you in another video.